Discovery 1, Oxford Blue. Everything is running like a top. It's got a new Bluetooth deck. It's brand new. It's nothing special, but it does the job. You figure a stereo is kind of a custom personal item. So we like to let our customers choose what they want. So we don't typically put a really fancy stereo in any of our vehicles, just because, again, it's personal. So anyhow, here's the Discovery 1 V8. I'm going to take it on a little cruise for you and show you. We'll get her up to speed. Pull up. Pull up each other. Thing I love about the Discovery 1 is how much quieter they are, even compared to the Range Rover Classic. I mean, the Range Rover Classic is supposed to be the, you know, the premier vehicle. It's the expensive one. And I know the Classics ended around 95 for us with the soft dash. But anyhow, let's slow her down here on this nice quiet back road. Air Force Base East Gate. We don't want to do that. That wouldn't be very good. They might be angry with us. It looks like it's open. It's crazy. I mean, are you going to win a race with it? No, it's a Discovery 1 with a V8. But the 4-liter definitely has more power, get up and go, than the 3.9 liter that you'd see in a earlier Range Rover Classic. That GEMS engine is a nice one.